What's going on, everybody? Today I'll be teaching you how to put magnets in the Yuxin Little Magic. So the first step in magnetizing the Yuxin Little Magic is to disassemble the cube. So for this step, you may need a screwdriver, like a little flathead, or it could be the screw. Pop it off the cap and just unscrew the cap. But mine is already loose enough, so all I have to do is pry out an edge and just twist the cube until all the pieces come off, except the core. So I will not need this for the magnetization process, so I'll just leave that off to the side. And let's get started with the video. So now that we have all the pieces off the cube, we'll have to disassemble each piece. So for the edge pieces, just pull out, make sure you're not touching the line because that's where the piece separates, and just pull it off and you'll get this. For the corners, it's a bit harder, but you can still do it. Just get your fingernail in there and take off each individual piece. Leave the stalks off to the side for this process. Now that all the pieces are disassembled, make sure all of these pieces, the stock and the torpedoes, are off to the side because we will not need them to magnetize the cube. Also, the magnets I'm using are 4x2 and 35, and you need 48 of them. So start off by getting an edge piece and a corner. And just set all the other pieces aside, place them together. Take one magnet, drop it in the edge, and one magnet, and drop it in this slot of the corner. And make sure they are aligned. And now you'll need some super glue, and just put the glue in. So you take your super glue, unscrew the lid, and just get both sides of the cube and just take this corner piece and set off to the side and get another corner piece, put a magnet in. It's off camera, and just stick it together. Make sure you don't get a new edge piece because the polarity will be inconsistent. So keep the same edge piece and get a new corner and just glue that in. When you finish with this corner piece, set it off to the side and complete this process with all the corner pieces on the cube. Once you have finished magnetizing all your corners, you can set this edge off to the side and just take one of your corners and take an edge, put a magnet in, keep it consistent, and glue this piece in. Complete this step with all the edges. So get rid of that one, take out another edge, that does not have a magnet, put a magnet in the cube, in the piece, and glue that piece magnet in. And yeah, complete the step with all the pieces of the cube. Once you reassemble the cube, you can just test out the turning of it. I think it feels really good now. Might actually be better than my other Little Magic. And I will add some lube. So this is some Maru lube I got. Just 2 drops. And let's test it out. Yeah, it made it a lot smoother and faster. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment what you want the next video to be. Bye.